What's going on, YouTube? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Let's go over what happened at the stock market this week. I think that if you're not using the weekly chart, you need to start using it so that you can see exactly where your stocks are at or where the market's at. So I put up 4 here that I think are going to make a difference, guys, this next week. So I want to start with Nvidia and I want to show you what it's doing. Okay, this is the weekly candle, and you guys can see that we have volume profile over here, and so the volume profile is totally empty, so we know that Nvidia can totally drop. So let me finish off this technical analysis here. So we have potentially a gigantic bull flag, guys. If you don't know what a bull flag is, sign up for my courses. I will teach you. Check this out. Okay, we could be looking at 1025, 1020 area for Nvidia in the next week or so. Okay, now remember this candle right here, these candles are 5 days. Now Tesla started making a move up, okay, because you have Ron Barron buying the you know what out of this stock. Okay, so Tesla is making a green candle on the weekly, and on the daily they are looking pretty good too. Okay, so now they have a shelf here, guys. 187, they get past that, definitely going to make it towards the 240 area. If you haven't gotten Tesla, I'm going to recommend you take a look at it. Okay, I am in Tesla. I bought some long calls, guys. Okay, this could be a reversal for Tesla. So far it shows support. Okay, and this is the weekly review. So if I had to draw out support, I would say here we are. Okay, now Amazon has earnings next week. Yes. Okay, and I'm going to tell you something. Look at that volume profile. They made it above, and then they found support right at that shelf, and they potentially too could be flagging. Okay, another bull flag here, guys. Okay, now Amazon could technically make it to, if they pop out of here, they could see 191. Now when earnings come, they're going to have an implied move, probably 7%. So I could see that happening. Okay, nothing wrong if you guys jump into Amazon calls or shares and then you take profit here. Okay, but the market is showing signs of reversal, guys. It's showing signs. Okay, now we have Meta that threw up after earnings right here. Okay, and it found support. Now there's nothing showing that Meta can't continue to bounce up, because either it's going to fall, and if it does, we'll look at 340. Okay, if it goes down to 340, you bet I'm a buyer. There's a lot of great stuff going on with these companies, guys, with AI, with technology. Tesla announcing their cars. Tesla's probably a longer hold if you really want it to be a long, but Meta, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, those are all great companies right now, and they're all showing reversals. Now Microsoft and Google did start coming down today. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, let me show you the big picture with the Mag 7, guys. Okay, so we have Microsoft. Let me get my arrow up here. Okay, did climb up and it fell. Okay, now if you remember the pattern I just drew, that's right, this could be forming a nice little bull flag, guys. Okay, so if you're in Microsoft, good for you. If you're not, you should consider it. You should consider any of these companies that are doing AI. Look at the rockets. Everybody had rockets except VIX, and VIX is showing a lot of weakness. It went down almost 2 points, guys. It was almost at 17 top of the week. Yeah, 1745, somewhere in there. Actually, I'm wrong. It was up around 19. So down 4 points. what do you think the market did? The market started rallying up. Okay, remember, everybody's expecting a big pullback. It's gonna crash, it's gonna do this. Okay, yes, it will pull back. That's healthy. But remember, look at this chart. And I added Heikinashi, guys, which shows you momentum. These colored candles show you momentum. And now, does it look like these companies are gonna fall? No, there's still a downturn. Now, they made all-time highs, and this could be the pullback. Like I'm saying, this could be the pullback for them. They could start running up, so be careful. Okay, I thought I'd give you guys a recap so you understand how to look at your chart for the weekly. Every Friday you should be doing this so you know where did we end up. Now I want to show you guys something that happened today with AVGO, guys. Okay, look at that. It is starting to not only take advantage of this gap in the volume profile. Look at that. It challenged the next shelf. If it gets past that, it's going to go after its all-time high, guys, and potentially make it to 1500. Now, wouldn't you like to know that that was happening? Would you invest? Would you get in on some options if you knew that was happening? So now for April 26th, look at that. Imagine when the stock market opened, if you would have jumped into AVGO, how much money would you have made on one call? You pick the delta you want. Okay, I'll tell you right now. Okay, that was a $52 move up. 52 times a 10 delta, 20 delta, 30, 40, 50 delta, guys. How much money would you have made today? Well, guys, for $19.99, you would have came over to my website and you would have looked at this bull market watch list. That's right. And we are talking about this bad boy right here, guys. $19.99 a month. $19.99. Guys, you would have gotten into AVGO with no problem. Imagine having that alert right at your desktop, your mobile phone. You would have came here. You would have clicked on this and you would have said, all right, let's go down. And guess what? I gave you guys this for free on Friday. Let's go preview. You go down. We got a net flipping on the 4 hour. And guess what? Right here, we had AVGO, guys. I called it out. Reversal started above the 9 EMA. We found support, and I mark off the support area for you guys so you understand that this thing is actually moving up. And sure enough, it did. $50 move today. $50 move. If you understand options, that is way worth it. You would have paid for the whole year for this program, guys. Okay, so understand this is on sale, $19.99. Okay, if you sign up tonight, I will give you 50% off. Don't forget, 50% off only for tonight. Okay, so until the next video, guys, I'm wishing you guys a great weekend and a green week coming up.